Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to this episode of my beard grooming techniques. Going with the grain, detangle the beard with a large tooth comb. Using the number 2 guard on the fading clippers, I go down with the grain. With the detailers, I slice up my first guideline from mid-ear, and then I take off the dirty hairs. I begin my fade using a 1.5 guard on my fading clippers going against the grain. Moving the lever up to a 1, I will blend the first guideline. Pull the lever down to a 1/2 and take out the number 1 guideline. Push the lever back up to a 0 and then take out the 1/2 line. With the corners of the clippers, flick out the dark area of the fade over and over with the 1 guard to smooth out the blend. Go over that section with a small tooth comb for a better visual. I will do the same on his mustache to straighten it. With the 1.5 guard, the goal is to have him tuck his lip in to evenly smooth out his mustache. And on the left side, you pretty much just duplicate the techniques that I taught you on the right side. Use the 1.5 on your fading clippers to graze down the side of his cheek as you use the detailers to make a straight line on his jawline on both sides. In this next section, using the detailers on the top of his lips, gently make a straight line all the way across. Do the same thing easily on the top lip. Now it's time to clean off what I call the dirty hairs. So we're going to take the detailers all across the neck and clean off the hairs that is very much unwanted on both sides. Make an effort using the balding clippers to clean off the leftover hair that's left. Using this balding clipper is one of the major keys that you guys need to use while you're doing the beard. Make sure you go over the neckline with the detailers again to be on point. Create an arch by using your liners as a protractor and then take off the dirty hairs that's left over. Don't forget, what you do on the right side, you repeat that same step and do it again on the left side. Next, I will use the 1.5 with the fading clippers to graze down on the chin hairs. Pay attention to this part because this is critical. The next step is to have him blow out the bottom lip to begin the box lineup. Really get gentle on this part as it is really a sensitive part to deal with, but make sure you keep the bottom line very straight. With that being said, take off the leftover hairs with the detailers. Now it's time to lay him down and wrap his head up with a clean hot towel for about 5 to 6 minutes before you take it off and begin to shave. Try to be light-handed during this part as you go across his chin with a straight razor. Also have him blow out the side of his cheek to shave a straight line. Use any beard moisturizer of your choice. Fully moisturize the beard for the next step. With warm heat and a medium tooth comb, dry and straighten the beard out thoroughly. Watch as I use the lever up on the fading clippers to lightly graze down on the beard to remove the whiskers that survived the war. From top to bottom, from side to side, make sure you get them all. Keep on detailing the beard until it is well kept. This is very beneficial because it keeps the beard tight and long lasting. Also remember that when you do it on one side, you have to do it on the other side. During these actions, you want to balance the weight of the beard to even out on both front and the sides. Once that is all done, make sure you clean him up and dust him off thoroughly for a better visual and final look. My man still don't know what it looked like yet. This is what he was thinking it was looking like. There's the before, bam. He came in looking scruffy, and here's the after, bow. Woo, I'm about to give him the mirror. Oh, he ain't ready for this. Let's bring it back one more time. There's the before. Okay, all right. Bam, there's the after. Now, I think he got a little peek of it right now, so I'm about to hand him the mirror. Here you go, boss. Oh, my man can't believe it. He like, bruh, how you do me like this, man? Everybody keep talking about you need to go see that boy Taylor. But look, he got him right. Huh? He feeling like Ross right now. Ricky Rozay. Yes, sir. All right, man, I hope you guys like what you see, man. If you guys enjoy this video and you're gonna use it step for step at home or in the shop, please be safe and let me know, comment below what you want to see next. All right, I'm out. Deuces.